How are you doing? Today, we're going to take a detailed look at how you can successfully open a brand new bank account with BBVA. Don't worry if this sounds complicated at first because the entire process is actually very straightforward and beginner friendly. As long as you follow each step carefully, you'll be able to complete everything without any issues. To get started, open your preferred internet browser on your computer or mobile device. Once it's open, type BBVA into the search bar and press enter. Make sure you are visiting the official BBVA website to avoid any security risks. When the page loads, you'll usually see a prompt asking you to accept cookies and agree to the website's terms and conditions. Go ahead and accept those so you can continue. Next, look for the button that says Become a Client. This button is very important because it's the entry point for opening a new account. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the registration section. From here, you'll see an option to start the account creation process. Click to begin and BBVA will guide you step by step. At this stage, several forms will appear on your screen. You'll be asked to enter basic personal information such as your name, contact details, and residency information. After completing each section, click Next to move forward. Take your time here and double check everything to make sure there are no mistakes. BBVA will also ask for identification details. This usually involves providing official documents such as a government-issued ID. Depending on your location, you may be required to upload photos or complete a quick identity verification step. Make sure the information you provide matches your documents exactly, as this helps prevent delays. Once all the required details are submitted, the bank will review your application. In some cases, BBVA may contact you by email or phone if they need additional verification. After approval, you'll gain access to your new account along with online banking features, allowing you to manage your finances, transfer money, and explore BBVA services right away. Opening a BBVA bank account is simple when you follow these steps carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy bank using!